Ham Radio 2.0 Black Friday deals on Tuesday of Thanksgiving week. Countdown T-minus 3 days to Black Friday. So let's see what we can see today.
Shut up and sit down.
Hey guys, this is Jason, KC5HWB, Ham Radio 2.0, where we do reviews and how-tos of everything in amateur radio. And much like last year, I'm going to do daily videos. Catch my one from yesterday. You can find that right here. Hard to look at the screen. Right here, recorded yesterday with the YouTubers bunch guys, and we talked about some Black Friday stuff that we're looking for. So today's Tuesday morning, and I'm going to go over here, and I've pulled up a few things. The first thing I should tell everybody is that I have a giveaway for, let's kill that. I have a giveaway going on, and you can see I was browsing the Flex Radio website. I will be giving away several things this week. You can sign up at the link here, which I'll put in the description in the YouTube video below. And each person gets one entry, and I've got about 10 different items to give away. It actually might be more than that. It might be more than 10 because MFJ might be sending me some stuff. Traded emails with them about a week ago, and before we left to come down here to Galveston, which is where I'm at now for Thanksgiving week, those items had not shown up yet. So assuming that they're on the way, or maybe they've been delivered by now since I left home, I might have some more stuff to give away. And if I do, I'll be home on Saturday, and we'll talk about during the live stream on Sunday, and then the drawing on Monday. So, but all this stuff, whether it's these 10 items or more than that, will be offered for giveaway on Cyber Monday. The giveaway contest will end at midnight on Sunday, December 1st. So you have until midnight Central Standard Time on Sunday, December 1st to follow the link, enter your email address, and be entered for a chance to win one of 10 or more items. So there's that. Check the YouTube description below for that. That's a picture of the Bridgecom repeater system I'm giving away. And there'll be several other items. In fact, let me go ahead and just, I keep going back and forth here. So one of the items is a Radioddity GD77, brand new. It's a DMR, dual band DMR HT. This is the 77S. This is the one like the 77, but it doesn't have a screen. That's the difference in it. Radioddity sent me this stuff and asked me to give it away, and I said, sure. This is actually this is a GD73A. Same thing again, no screen on that radio, but they were doing a giveaway. We're going to go to their website here shortly and see that and see different stuff they're giving away. This is a Commander CB27. It's considered the smallest CB radio on the market right now. Eric at Ham Radio Concepts did a really good video reviewing this, so you can see that there. This is a big one. This is an Anytone D578 tri-band mobile DMR radio. And I haven't even had, I haven't opened this one yet. I got another one at home. Let's see, pull the power cable out there. About the size of a TH9800. I've got some review videos upcoming on this, but this will be given away as well. So special thanks to the vendor, you know who you are, who provided this one to me. Put that back away. Stick that in there. And then DX Mini is rolling out a new hotspot that will be available December 9th. It'll be a smaller version, similar to his small version now, but it'll be dual time slot. He's going to be, in fact, he said the one that you give away on your show will be the very first one in production that I send out to the public somewhere. So I think I have a picture of that. Well, no, let's just go to the DX Mini website, because he's got some Black Friday stuff that'll start on Friday also. So we'll talk about that here in a minute. and giving away 2 or 3 Ham Radio 2.0 T-shirts, a beer mug, and a hat, ball cap. So that's all going to be. And of course, this is the link that that'll be in the YouTube description below. Let's go, since I mentioned it a minute ago, let's go over here to DX Mini. Nope, not that one. These controls up here are messing with me. There it is. Okay, so DX Mini, this is the original DX Mini right there, which is on a Pi Zero board, so it's smaller. This XL version is on a Pi 3 Plus B board, which is larger and has dual time slots. And then this new version is similar, in what he's calling the V2 will be similar in size to the original DX Mini, but have dual time slots. You can see from the 2 antennas on the top. So again, he'll be running, we'll come back to this page on Friday because he'll be running deals on that page that day. Flex Radio came out with an email the other day where they are running what they're calling their biggest deals, our biggest sale of the year. So they've got about $75 off of their base model. And you've got about $100 off of the M model, 6400M. 6600 is $150 off. 6600M is $200 off. So Maestro is $50 off. Power Genius, they're not running sale on Power Genius, doesn't look like. That's their legal limit amplifier right there. So go check that out. If you've been in the market for Flex Radio, now's a good time to go check that out. Of course, my sponsors over at RNL Electronics. You should visit this website every day, realistically, because he's got this this daily special today only. This changes every day. I've mentioned that before in the show. So he's got the Heil PR781 today for $149.95. Limit 2 per customer. I should pick one of those up myself, actually. I need another microphone for my live streams. We mentioned this on the show yesterday. $923.89 free shipping on a brand new 7300. And then you've got some package deals in here. This radio right here I bought last year, and it was about $22 more than this. So it's even cheaper now, $378.89. Price good through 27. So special pricing good until 27th, which is tomorrow. So some of this stuff he's got one-day deals on. There's 878 Plus for $239. I think that's the normal price. I don't think Anytone will let the vendors sell that any lower than that. I have to check with him and see if he's planning on carrying the 578 as well. So rnlelectronics.com, good place to go. Let's see. Let's go over here to Radiodity. I mentioned a little bit ago. Let's close that. Black Friday preview giveaway. Site-wide offer. $1 raffle. Let's just click on that and see where it takes me. Okay, so they're doing a Black Friday sale on Black Friday. Good to know. Makes sense. I will say that if you're not following Main Trading Company, they do a Black November. They've done that for last few years. Black November starts now. It's actually starting November 1st. I've been getting all his emails. He does a thing where if it snows more than 1 inch in Paris, Texas, on Christmas Day, he'll refund your purchase price of whatever you purchased, something like over $300, I think, if it snows. So if it snows, it's free at MTC. I'm not sure how he's financing that, but that's their thing. So Black Friday is just kind of, or Black November, I should say, kind of like all around deals. Stay on his email list to kind of keep up with what he's got. He does have a lot of B stock come in for Kenwood and Icon. Repacks, factory refurbished stuff. Last year, Hamcom, which is the biggest ham fest in Texas, they did a raffle that you could buy tickets for. I think, buy tickets for. Ticket sales will be Friday, November 29th at 4 a.m. through Monday, December 2nd, 2019, 4 p.m. Winners will be announced on the website and social media as well by December 2nd at 5 p.m. So you can get Hamcom, and this year they're raffling off a FTM 400 XDR. They do this advertising for me because I have showed or come to their event every year and do a video recording and advertise it for them. So that's today. I had some difficulty with my software this morning, so I'm hoping everything turned out okay. I will review it before I post it. But today, definitely go check out my giveaway drawings. Go check out RNL, and like I said, you should check their website every day. Flex Radio, if you're in the market for Flex Radio, now is the time. They're going to have, it says this is their biggest sale of the year. I don't even remember him having that big of a discount at Dayton last year. You never know what they're going to have until at Dayton next year, but that's like in May, and that's 7 months from now. So depending on the timing of when you want whatever you're planning to get. So put notes in the comments below. Let me know if you have picked up any of the stuff I mentioned. Let me know if you have picked up something else from somewhere. It's a website I didn't go to. Tell me where else I should be looking. We'll do another video like this tomorrow. And happy Black Friday to everybody.